What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to make and receive calls on your Fitpro smartwatch. In addition to that, if you're having the problem where even after you try to call a number on your Fitpro smartwatch and then press on the call icon over here, it does not go, I will show you how to fix that problem on any Fitpro smartwatch you have. Now, in order for you to be able to make and receive calls on your Fitpro smartwatch, you actually have to connect it to your phone using the Fitpro Smartwatch app. So what you want to do is to basically head over to the iOS App Store or Google Play Store like mine. Now, from the Google Play Store, at the bottom of the search bar over here, you want to go ahead and search for the Fitpro Smartwatch app, and then make sure you download and install this app into your phone. Once the app is downloaded and installed, we can now proceed with the setup process. So open up the app and then proceed to give it all of the permission it needs. So click on agree, and then now it is going to ask you to use your location to search for devices. At the top of your phone, make sure you have your Bluetooth turned on, and then also make sure you have your service location turned on as well. Now you can now proceed to click on the why using this app. Now to make and receive call, you want to proceed to connect both your Fitpro smartwatch and the Fitpro smartwatch app. So click on the set button at the tab over here, and then just go ahead and click on bind devices to experience more feature. Give it all of the permission it needs so that it can search for available devices. Over here you can literally see the name of my Fitpro smartwatch, which is the Watch 8. I'll go ahead and select it. Now it is trying to connect. Now, once both devices are successfully connected, you're going to see the pop-up asking you to pair both devices via Bluetooth again. So click on the got it button, go over to the Bluetooth of your phone, and then also make sure you pair both devices via Bluetooth. So at the bottom, search for the name of your Fitpro smartwatch again. If you cannot find the name of your Fitpro smartwatch, you can as well go ahead and turn off the Bluetooth and then turn it on again. Just make sure it connects to the same name that you actually found using the Fitpro smartwatch app on your phone. I'll go ahead and search for devices, and you can literally see the Watch 8 I just connected to using the Fitpro app. I'll go ahead and select it again to make sure I also connect via Bluetooth. It is trying to connect, and then click on the pair button over here. Now once both devices are now connected via Bluetooth and via the Fitpro app on your phone, you should now be able to make calls. So if you try and click on the call icon on your Fitpro smartwatch, now enter any number, then click on the call icon over here. You should now be able to make a call from your Fitpro smartwatch to your phone, and you can literally see that this works pretty well. Okay, so I just called myself using my other phone, and you can literally see I can receive it on my Fitpro smartwatch and also on my phone as well, and this actually works pretty well. But if after trying to call a number, that is, you try to call a number and then you try entering the number and still press on the call icon but it does not go, what that means is that you have not successfully connected both devices via Bluetooth. So even after connecting through the app, you actually want to make sure you connect via Bluetooth as well. Now for some Fitpro smartwatch, even after connecting to the name of your Fitpro smartwatch via Bluetooth, there is also another name of the Fitpro smartwatch you will also have to connect via Bluetooth as well. So sometimes even after connecting to Watch 8 or anything that is the name of your own Fitpro smartwatch and even connecting via the app, you actually have to still search for the name of another Fitpro smartwatch again and also make sure you connect to it. And trust me, you should now be able to make and receive calls on your Fitpro smartwatch without any issue. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.